उजो लागलो बॉम्बे बाजाराच्या थर्ड फ्लोराचेर आनी 8:50 कितें फायर ब्रिगेड आयले आनी तांकां बरोच त्रास काडचो पडलो कित्याक वाट तांकां सोंपी मेळोंक ना.
Yeah, Mapsa, Old Goa, Panjim. Yeah. So we have around 7 fire tenders.
Okay.
So we will have to calculate how many
rounds
waters we have, how many liters of water we have poured.
Okay.
So now we are doing water relay. You have seen now.
Yes, yes.
That is a different type of firefighting.
Okay.
You cannot put all the vehicles at one time.
Yes.
So we are doing the water relay.
What is the floor जो है उसका लेंगे क्या?
हाँ, go down. उनका go down.
How long it will take to?
I think up to morning we will have to wait because smoldering is there, no? So we'll have to clear one by one.
It's not major fire.
Is it major or whether?
That you'll have to ask them. I don't know.
But it is under control.
Yeah, it is already under control. It is not going to go to any other place. We have doused the fire. Now we are doing cooling operation.
Cooling operation.
Oh, only top floor. ये ऊपर क्या था गोडाउन ना? क्या
गोडाउन नहीं था,
क्या था?
इट वाज अ स्टोरेज एरिया.
हाँ, storage area. That they can tell.
No go down.
No. ठीक है?
Yes, thank you.
जेन्ना हांव हांगा पावलो लोक कितें सांगताले सिलिंडरा भशेन ब्लास्ट जातालो अशें ते सांगताले पण फायर ब्रिगेड फायर फायटींग करून तेंच्यांनी उजो पालयलो. वीथ लोक शिकतर हांव तुळशीच्या चरी कुडला खातीर